Ready to take your Minecraft visuals to the next level? First things first, you need a mod loader called Optifine. Think of it as your special graphics tool. Head over to Optifine's official download page and grab the installer for Minecraft 1.21.5. Run the installer, make sure your Minecraft directory is correct, and click Install. Once installed, Optifine will show up as a separate profile in your Minecraft launcher. Remember to select this profile when you start the game. Now it's shader time. Find a shader pack that catches your eye. There are tons of options out there. Download the shader pack, it'll be a zip file, but don't unzip it. Launch Minecraft with your Optifine profile, go to Options, then Video Settings, and finally, Shaders. Click Shader Packs folder at the bottom left and drag and drop your shader pack zip file into this folder. The shader should now appear in the list within the game. Click on it to activate and get ready to be amazed by your newly transformed Minecraft world.